So now our press size is set up, our press is set up, we're ready to scan the plates and prepare the job to go to the press. So we go into job preparation. Each one of these is a profile. This is our 2-color setup. This is our push too hard. This is our 2-color setup. This is our 3-color setup. This is our 1-color setup. And this 5 we generally use for things that we're going to save to our card or to our memory cards for long-term storage. So 5 is for long-term storage, 4 is for 1 color, 3 is for 3 colors, 2 is for 2 colors, and 1 is normally for 4 color. So the very first icon is the one that allows you to give it an indication or a name, okay? Right now it has no name. And we're going to call it 4 colors, so we're going to push the 4, and it pops up here. Then if you look right here, it says ABC. That means that these keys, you see 4, below it says J, K, L. You can use these keys to write words out. So you select the ABC, and we're calling it 4 color, so we're going to go here, ABC, so we go 1, 2, 3, and that makes a C. I'm going to back that up. I like to have a space in between. So then we're going to go 1, 2, 3, and that changes it to a C. Then 5 is M, N, O, and then we go 1, 2, 3. That gives us our O for color. 4 will give us our L. 1, 2, 3. Back to the 5 for the O. 1, 2, 3. To the 6 for the R. 1, 2, 3. And now we have 4 color. We select it, and now it's 4 color. The next icon shows the units of the press. And we can see with the last job on profile 1 was a 2-color job, and it was the first unit and the 4th unit, and we want to change that to 4 color now. So then we go to the next icon down with the roller symbol, and our first color is black, so that's correct, that's what we want. Our second color we want to be magenta, so we're going to hit the minus button. 1 takes it to cyan, 2 will take it to magenta, so we're good with that. We want magenta in our second unit because we go 3rd down cyan. In the 3rd unit we're going to select the minus button, and it'll take us over to cyan. If we keep hitting the minus button, it'll take us to X, Z, U, and so on. We want cyan, so we'll go back up to cyan, and now we're happy with our color selection per unit. So unit 1 will be black, unit 2 will be magenta, unit 3 will be cyan, unit 4 will be yellow. After that, we're going to go into this icon, which will set a profile or a curve for the press speed, is what this is indicating. So this is a Y coordinate, X coordinate, and then the line is the curve. So as the press speeds up, the ink ductor speeds up along with the press speed. So this icon indicates that we're using the rollers. This icon indicates that we're using alcohol. Our circulators don't have alcohol, but we use this profile. Again, we're concerned about this curve profile. So the best curve profile for the work we do is the alcohol profile. This is the delta profile. This is no alcohol profile. And what it does is it just changes the curve of the press speed. So the increase or decrease in ink volume as the press speeds up or slows down. So we always use alcohol, even though there's no alcohol in the units. Then we select units. And these indicate the ink ductor, and the sweep on the black unit is currently 40. The sweep on the magenta unit is currently 5, cyan 5, yellow 30. Generally speaking, I like to start out around 30 on my sweeps. If you select the sweeps, we can select them all, and we'll bring the two middle ones up to 30. And the first two back down to 30. So 30 is a pretty good starting point. You're about a third of the way up to your maximum sweep, so pretty good point to start. Then we're going to start with the yellow plate, so we'll select the yellow unit. Then we're going to go into the profile of the ink keys. This is for the pen,